Ever notice how some people walk into a room and everyone just respects them? No yelling, no fighting. They just exist differently. Meanwhile, other people get walked over constantly. Same room, same people, totally different treatment. I used to be the second person. People would interrupt me, cancel plans last minute like my time meant nothing, make jokes at my expense. I just smile and pretend it didn't hurt, but it did every single time. Then I figured out one thing I was doing wrong. Once I stopped, everything changed fast. Here's what nobody tells you: disrespect doesn't happen randomly. You're sending signals that say you can treat me badly, and once you stop, people flip how they treat you almost immediately. I'm going to show you 4 behaviors to stop right now if you want respect. These aren't the boring tips everyone gives you. These actually work. First, stop reacting big when someone disrespects you. Most people get upset, defend themselves, explain why it's wrong. That's the problem. When you react big, you show them they got to you. Here's what you do instead. Look at them and say one sentence. That was disrespectful. Then stop talking. No yelling, no explaining. Just name what they did and go quiet. This is scary, powerful, because they expect you to blow up or let it slide. When you do neither, they don't know what to do. They start backing down. I had a friend who always made fun of my job in front of others. Next time he did it, I said, "That's disrespectful." The whole group went quiet. He apologized right there, never did it again. Oh, and if you're feeling this so far, drop a like. Literally takes half a second. Second, stop being instantly available. When you're always free, people stop valuing your time. Think about doctors. They make you wait because their time is valuable. You wait for them, they don't wait for you. When someone texts you, wait an hour or two. Not to play games, but because you have a life. When someone asks you to do something, say, "Let me check and I'll let you know." When you make people wait even a little, you teach them your time matters. I used to answer every message instantly. People would text me at 11 p.m. knowing I'd respond. Then I changed. People started asking, "Do you have time?" instead of just demanding it. Third, stop accepting bad treatment. When someone treats you badly, speak up right then. Friend cancels plans again? Say this is the third time. That's not okay. Coworker takes credit for your work? Call it out. Actually, I did that work. Please give credit where it's due. Most people won't do this because they think it'll cause problems, but staying quiet causes more problems. I had a coworker who would dump his work on me every week. Finally, I said, "No, that's your job. I'm not doing it." He stopped asking and actually respected me more after that. People respect boundaries even when they push back at first. Fourth, the most powerful one. Stop trying to prove you're worthy. Stop defending your choices. Stop explaining why you deserve respect. Just assume you already do. Watch confident people. When someone questions them, they don't defend. They just say, "I'm comfortable with my decision." That's it. When you act like you deserve respect, people believe you. When you act like you need to earn it, people make you keep earning it forever. Pick one of these right now. Do it once today. In 1 week, it'll feel natural. In 1 month, you'll be doing all 4 without thinking. I went from doormat to respected in 3 months using these exact moves. You already deserve respect. Start acting like it. You made it to the end. That means you're actually serious about this. Look, see that playlist on your screen? That's everything you need to break bad habits, stop wasting time, and finally become the person you know you should be. Real psychology, zero nonsense. Hit subscribe if you want more straight talk like this. We don't do motivation here, we do what actually works.